Open the workspace. Today we're gonna design a 3D pipe, 3D 3-wall connecting pipe. Let's start how to design. And space, type decimal, precision 0.0, units millimeter. Okay, then we're gonna create a layer LA space. By clicking the yellow color, we're gonna create a new name. The name pipe 2.0. Just click the green color tick. It will make current layer. Just close the tab. Now we're gonna change it to 3D. Workspace switching. Just click the arrow head. We're gonna change it to 3D modeling. Okay. Now we're gonna draw our drawing in front of you. This is our view cube. Click the arrow head below top. Now it is in front. This is UCS. In XY direction, we can project our 2D drawing. But in Z axis, we're gonna extrude the 2D drawing. So now it is in XZ. So we're going to change it to XY axis. By clicking this icon, we're gonna change view, align XY plane. Now it's changed to XY axis. Now we're gonna draw a line L space, coordinates x0 tab y0 space. Just move it to 90 degree and we're gonna give the value 150 mm space. Now we're gonna give a line L space, x is 0 tab y is 50 space. Just by using your scroll button we can minimize our drawing. For example, just we're going to polar tracking. In case if you couldn't find the icons over here, just go to customize. We can by clicking the polar tracking, the icon will be appear here. Okay, 0, 30. In 30, it will show a reference. We're going to take a length of 120 mm space. Now just go to home screen. Now it is in unnamed position. Just we're going to change it to WCS. Now previously I said x-axis represent extrusion. So just click the x-axis vector. Just click the UCS icon over here and drag the x-axis towards downward. Now it is in X, Y, Z. Okay, now we're gonna draw a circle C space x0 tab y0 space, D for diameter 50 space. Now we're gonna extrude. There are two type of extrusion, EXT shortcut space. Just click the mode. There are two types, one is solid, one is surface. Let's see a sample. For that, just click the 2D wireframe. Just change it to shades of gray. Same EXT space. Just go to model. Just click the solid. Click the object. Just drag downward. This is solid. Escape. Now we're gonna see the second type EXT space. Click the mode. Change to surface. Just click the object over here space. So this is surface. Now we need only surface extrusion to the length of 150 mm. Same, we're gonna use our x-axis vector. Just take it x is it over here. Sorry, just click the x-axis vector. Make it over here to here. Okay. Now we're gonna draw a circle C space 0 tab 0 space D for diameter space length of 36 mm. Now change to WCS icon. Okay, we're gonna extrude. Click the mode, change to surface, click the object over here, space move downwards to the length of 120 mm. For understanding, just click shades of gray and go to X-rays. Okay, now we're gonna give thickness for 10 mm. The shortcut is THICKEN, thicken, space, click the two objects, space, we're gonna give thickness value 10 space. Now thickness have been added. Then by clicking the orbit, left click the mouse, we're gonna scroll around it, we're gonna slice the object over here. So for that we're gonna give EXT, extrusion space, click the object over here, it will shows 3D object circle, just click the circle, space, drag downwards to some specific length. Now we're gonna use slice command, SLICE, slice, space, click the object over here, space, click the surface and click the extrusion surface. Now click the object, right click, go to isolate, go to hide object. Now click the object, E for erase. Then click the object, E for erase. Now the surface have been cutted. Then right click, go to isolate, end the object isolation. Same, then press the Z axis vector, just press it over here, drag it down, Z axis. Okay, then click the object over here, right click, isolate to hide object, just we had hidden the object. Now we're gonna draw a circle of diameter 120 and 70. C space x0 tab y0 space D for diameter 120 mm. Then we gonna draw a dia of 70. Previously we have given dimension 50 dia. Then we have added a 10 thickness. So this side 10, this side 10. Total 50 plus 20, 70. C space x0 tab y0 tab T for dia 70 mm. Just press the 50 mm, E for erase. Now we're gonna do region, REG space. Click the two object that we're gonna region space. Now we're gonna subtract SUB space. Click the outer object space, then click the inner object. By using region we can find region space. EXT, click, just go to mode, change to solid, click the surface space. We're gonna extrude for 12 mm. Click the X-ray, go to shades of gray. We're gonna copy CO space, left click the mouse, drag downwards. The total length is 150. The thickness of the wall is 12 mm. 12 mm divided by 2 is 6. So 150 minus 6 is 144 space. Okay. Now we're gonna draw a circle, C space. X is plus 50, tab Y is 0 space. D for diameter, we're gonna give diameter 10. Just click the object over here, circle, we're gonna array by giving AR space, polar array, coordinates x0 tab y0 space. Click the items. By clicking items we can give number of items. I need only 4, so 4 space. Okay, now it is in region position, so click the object, array polar, X for explode, because we gonna do some alternation in the polar array, that's the reason. So click the object over here, right click, now we gonna hide the object. Just click the circle, then right click the mouse, go to select similar space, EXT space, extrusion, just drag downwards. Okay, now we're gonna subtract, we're gonna give region, REG, select the entire object that we're gonna subtract space, give the command sub space, click the object space, then click the object that we need to subtract space. Okay, then we gonna unhide the object in isolation, end object isolation. Okay, the area have been done. Now as usual, click the x-axis vector. So we couldn't find, we're gonna change to, click the object over here, gonna change to 2D wireframe. Click the x-axis vector. This will be the xy axis and this will be the z axis over here. Click the orbit, left click the mouse, drag towards. Now we're gonna draw a circle in the radius, radius 80 mm. Sorry, we're gonna draw a radius dia 80. We're gonna draw a circle over here, 5.4 radius, then radius is 20. We're gonna array AR space, select the both circle space polar array, click the object over, just move the cursor near to the circle, you'll find the center point, click the center point, then go to item. We need only three circle space. Okay, there are we gonna merge these three circles by using tan command, tangent to tangent. There are two ways. Just we're gonna give L space TAN. We can type it space, just click the object and TAN space, click the circle over here, it will catch the tangent, escape. The second way is L space, hold the shift key, press the right click in mouse, we will find tangent over here. Click the circle over here, same shift long press, right click mouse, tangent, click the circle, escape. Same L space TAN space, click the circle, tan space, escape. Now it is in polar array position. So just click the object, we gonna explode. C space, click the circle, we will find the center. We're gonna give radius of 20. Now we're gonna trim the unwanted areas. Erase TR double space. Okay. Now we're gonna do region REG. Select the entire surface space. Click the 2D wireframe to X-ray. Now we're gonna subtract SUB space. Click the outer surface space, then click the inner area that we are going to subtract. Space. We're gonna extrude it for 10 mm. Okay. Orbit, left click the mouse, drag. Now we're gonna paste. We're gonna move the object M space, click the object, just take the center hole, then move towards the circle. We will find the center, just paste it over here. Now home screen, unnamed WCS, just change it to parallel. Now we're gonna have you seen, just we're gonna change it to shades of gray. There are so many objects over here, so we're gonna make it single by using command UNION space union. Click the entire surface space. Now it has been changed to a single object. While designing the object, the corners we used to give fillets, because in case if it is in corner position, it may easily get damaged. So for that we're going to use fillet f space r space radius 2 space. Click the upper surface, 3D object, space. Just click the outer area. F space r space radius 5. Over here click the orbit, space here and here. Okay. Now we're gonna add a material. For mat space, just click the Autodesk library arrowhead. We need metal, so I click the metal over here. By using scroll button we can scroll the icons. We need a weld steel my mild. Left click the icon, drag it over here and just take the hand over here. But you couldn't change, just change to realistic. The added material will be shown in graphics.